Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. What's up, tubers? This is Superdell, and guess what? Netflix plan or is raising prices again. So, as you see on your screen right here, as of March 2026, Netflix has raised U.S. subscription prices across all tiers for the second time in under a year, raising the standard plan to $20 and premium to 27 bucks per month. All right. It says the ad supported tier increases by $1 to $9 per month, while extra member slots now cost $8 to $10, according to the CBS News right here. Now here it is. This should be a short video as well. It says standard with ads are $9. It used to be $8. So this is the one that raised only $1. But the remaining tiers raised $2. So it said the standard, no ads, was previously $18. Now it is $20. And the premium 4K plus ads is going from $24.99, which is the one that I pay for. Now it's going to be 27 bucks. And so right here, key details on price increase. It says the effective dates. Updated pricing is effective immediately for new customers, with existing users seeing increases over the coming months. So if you're brand new, you're getting ready to get your own subscription, yeah, these prices affect you immediately, today, tomorrow, whenever you sign up. It will affect you. Compared to myself, it's going to take a couple of months because they sending emails out. So if you do have Netflix, check your email. I'm quite sure you got some type of notification. It says the extra member fees for adding members outside the household, increases to $8 per month with ads, or $10 a month with no ads. So if you want to get grandma, grandpa, maybe your brother, your sister, a good friend that stays out of your household, this is going to be effective for you. Now they want to give us the reason for the hikes. The increases support investment in original content, live events such as Major League Baseball, like when the Yankees opened the other day, on opening day. Um, didn't nobody like see it because it was on a streaming platform. And then it expanded technology like gaming. So as you know, Netflix does do some gaming, and again, live events and TV shows along with movies. It says the price hike primarily impacts just the U.S. market, with no immediately confirmed changes in other regions like Canada. Believe me, Canada, y'all are next, okay? This marks a continued trend of higher streaming costs, with this price adjustment increasing the annual cost of the top tier ad free experience. Basically, what they're saying, listen, all our investors, we need to make them some more money. We got to keep it going because, again, Netflix is at the top of the game. I would love to see their subscription base from like last year to this year. It probably didn't move the needle that much, but in order to get investors money, they got to keep raising the prices, and so they go out and get subscriptions to certain games that may be blacked out in your area that you're used to seeing free, or streamed across the internet for free, or on your cable subscription for you're paying for it, but it's inside your subscription. Um, and look, I would like to see that. And again, it comes down to investors getting money. All right, we saw this a few years ago. The board got to get the money. Okay, and so they're gonna keep coming up with things to raise the prices, and it is crazy. I'm not gonna even lie to you. It is crazy, but if you've been following me, you know you can learn how to build your own Netflix. You can rip your own movies. A lot of y'all have collections and collections, DVDs and Ultra HD disc in your home. You can use services like Plex. You can use services like Envy. You can use Kodi and build your own. Rip the physical copy using a program called Make MKV. Just do your research. You can do this. There are other ways to do it, but due to YouTube terms and services, I'm not going to do that on this video. So again, Netflix is raising their prices, so I got something to think about because I believe in the next year and a half, Netflix is going to cost at least my household $30 a month, if not more. So it is getting a little bit outrageous, knowing 5 years ago I was only paying probably about $15. So it is getting more and more expensive with these streaming services out here. You might as well kind of get cable the way it's going out here. All right, I would love to hear from you. Do you have Netflix? Are you getting one of these pay, subscription rises on your bill? Let me know. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Share this video across your platforms. Also, hit the thumbs up. And at the last but not least, definitely hit that bell icon and select all if you haven't done it already. Please also leave that comment. I would love to hear from y'all. I would love to hear from y'all. Do you have Netflix or Apple TV? Do you have Amazon Prime? Let us know, and we'll keep the discussion going, guys. Be safe out there, and I will talk to you on another video. Peace.